Hey guys, on today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to insert your micro SD card on your switch. So let's get started. So first of all, just flip your switch around, open this up. That's right, this opens up. And then back here, you're gonna see that slide in, and you just put this in this way. It kind of shows you in the drawing right there how it should go in. So all you have to do is just go like that, and then just push it in. It's gonna click in. You're gonna hear a click. And to take it out, you have to push, and then it's gonna pop out, and then you just drag it out, okay? So let's put it in again. You hear that click, you're good to go. Close this up, and you're set. Anyways, as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.